Can you imagine a soap that looks like it's straight from a tropical island? Well, today we are going to create one so beautiful in the shape of a monstera leaf that carries the power of the tree of life, a mix of beauty, freshness, and benefits that your skin will thank you for. My name is Veronica, and I welcome you to my artisanal soap channel. Get ready and stay until the end, because you are going to love what's coming. There is a plant that has been revered for generations, a humble yet extraordinary tree that grows under the sun of India, Africa, or Central America, and holds a green treasure among its leaves. It's called Moringa oleifera, although many know it as the tree of life or even the miracle tree. In the world of natural cosmetics, Moringa is a jewel. It is used in powder form, made by drying and finely grinding its green leaves. A vibrant powder loaded with benefits for your skin. Sometimes its oil extracted from the seeds is also used, rich, potent, and a bit more exclusive. But Moringa powder is a gift in itself. It is a powerful antioxidant full of vitamin C, A, and polyphenols that help fight free radicals and delay aging. It is regenerative and revitalizing, ideal for those skins that need a boost of light, a breath of freshness. It is also soothing and anti-inflammatory, perfect for sensitive skin with redness or small irritations, and it has incredible purifying power. Thanks to its chlorophyll and antibacterial properties, it cleans the pores and helps balance the skin's natural oil. Additionally, it's rich in minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, which nourish the skin from the first use, and, as if that weren't enough, it dazzles with the power of nature. With Moringa, forget about artificial colorings. Its vibrant natural tone will transform your creations into masterpieces full of life and authenticity. Stay until the end and discover the secret formula of this Hawaiian treasure. And if you can't get Moringa, I'll give you 2 variations you can use with this design. We start with the glycerin base. It is moisturizing, gentle on the skin, and perfect for all skin types. We cut 100 grams of glycerin into small cubes and melt it in a double boiler or in the microwave. And this is where the magic begins. Once melted, we add 3 grams of Moringa powder, an ingredient loaded with antioxidants, and at most 20 drops of essential oil or fragrance. Moringa helps to regenerate, illuminate, and rejuvenate the skin. It's like a green smoothie, but for your body. In this artisanal adventure, essential oils are the stars, and if they are cheap quality, a couple of drops are enough to shine. Boom, aya menyo soy. Here's the secret. You can use up to 0.8 grams of each one, about 15 to 20 drops in total for a soap of 100 grams, the maximum amount to ensure a perfect balance between fragrance and softness without irritating the skin. If you decide to add less, say just a few drops of each, your soap will still be a delight, enveloping you in a cloud of relaxing aromas. But be careful, never exceed those 0.8 grams per essential oil. That way, your creation will be safe, luxurious, and spa-worthy. Meanwhile, we prepare the inlays. The hibiscus, a tropical flower that beautifies the soap with a lovely pink hue, adds a touch of color and natural power. I simply melt glycerin, color it, and scent it with the same essential oils. And finally, the flower that envelops everything, the plumeria, sweet, floral, exotic. It's that scent that transports you directly to a Hawaiian garden at sunset, a scent that calms, inspires, and enchants. We pour our mix into a mold shaped like a monstera leaf. Why that shape? Because the monstera represents the tropical, the wild, and the free. and it also looks spectacular. I am leaving the link in the description of the links where you can purchase them. The capacity of this mold is approximately 33 grams. You get approximately 15 soaps with half a kilogram of glycerin. Let it cool, and meanwhile, take a deep breath, because what you will see in the end is pure, natural beauty. Look at this wonder, a shiny, fragrant soap full of benefits for your skin. It looks like it was made for a boutique or a tropical paradise. This is not just any soap, it's Hawaii in your bathroom. Next, I will read the formula for you to take note, and I'll give you 2 more formulas which are their variants if you can't find Moringa at the herbalist. Moringa soap, 100 grams of glycerin, 3 grams of meringue powder, 15 to 20 drops of essential oil of your choice. I used rose and geranium. Spirulina soap, 100 grams of glycerin, 3 grams of spirulina, 15 to 20 drops of essential oil of your choice. Like Moringa, spirulina is a superfood with high nutrient density, antioxidants, and purifying properties. Green tea soap, 100 grams of glycerin, 3 grams of green tea, 15 to 20 drops of essential oil of your choice. Like Moringa, it shares its richness in antioxidants and its ability to soothe and nourish the skin. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm Veronica, and see you in the next tutorial with more beauty made magic.